Your husband is the only one who loved you by choice. Your parents love you because you are their child. Your siblings love you because you share blood. Your children love you because you are their parent. But your husband looked at your flaws, your fears, your wounds, your personality, your past, and still said, I choose her. He didn't inherit you. He didn't owe you. He wasn't forced into loving you. He selected you. Every day he stays is a renewed decision. Every sacrifice he makes is a quiet declaration. Every effort he gives is proof that love is not just a feeling, it is loyalty in action. So don't treat that choice casually. Protect it, honor it, because being chosen is one of the rarest forms of love in this world. And remember this when you're upset. Remember it when you feel misunderstood. Remember it when pride wants to speak louder than love. Because the man who chose you can be lost if you stop choosing him back. Love survives when both hearts keep deciding, and marriage only stays alive when choice becomes daily devotion. Nurture the bond that began with choice. Never stop choosing each other, even on the hardest days.